Hey guys, it is me, Simone. Today I want to do a my update project share with you guys. So I made a video earlier showing you how to make this chocolate box, and so now I want to show you what I did to the chocolate box. So give you some ideas of how you can decorate it. This took a little bit of time, but I think it turned out great. Ooh, gosh. So on the outside I wrapped it with cardstock, pattern paper, not cardstock, pattern paper. This is what the pattern paper looked like. I love the different colors of the pink and purple in here, which I think will be nice. And I used this die here from Ultimate Crafts. This is called the Forest Frame die. It's this big. It's about, what size is that? 1, 2, almost 3 by 3. Take a couple inches. Yeah, almost 3 by 3. And so I cut this out multiple times, and then I glued it over the paper after I put the paper down and wrapped it. So you can see, and I love this look. It makes you can kind of see like the different colors in there, and they peek out, and this pattern doesn't seem as busy. It really makes it a little subtle. I love like the splash colors. Almost reminds me of kind of like watercoloring and doing different like colors here and there. Which you could do that with a paper if you didn't have this. If you wanted to imitate, you could paint a piece of cardstock and put down some water and sprinkle on different kinds of pinks and reds in different spots and blend them out. Then I went over with a tag die. I think it's over here. This tag die here, AliExpress. I used this tag die to make the tag here. I used this lace die from Ultimate Crafts. This is called the Floral Lattice. I don't know if you see what it looks like. I used that. This is what it looks like. I got this in my big scrapbooking made simple haul. So I got those, and that's what's on the background right here, if you can see that. That's that little lattice pattern. I just want something on the tags to not make it so like plain. Then I use some Be Mine thickers. I don't know the name of it. I always cut off the top of my thickers so it's easier for me to access. So it's like this size, and this is from Tuesday Morning, hence the sticker. To put Be Mine on here, and then I add these envelopes. These are from AliExpress. If I can find the items, I'll link below. These little 2 envelopes. I use these envelopes. I've had them for a while. These are just some sets of different dies that I had. Put them all around here. I use some matte gold paper. This is from the same haul too. This is bronze, but yeah, no, gold line. This is gold lines, but yeah, it's from Culture Couture or Couture Creations. I don't know why I do that. Couture Creations, and it's a matte gold paper that I used on here. It's decorated. Do I have a piece of here? That's what it looks like. Love it. And I paired it with the reflective gold thickers. I used some glitter paper. This is from Tuesday Morning. It's from Hobby Lobby. It was on clearance last year, I think in the summertime. That's what it looks like. It was like 49 cents, originally $2. And then I used some cardstock from my stash and paper, pattern paper. I think this is a Michaels paper pad, and I used this paper here to make the envelopes. I'm pretty sure this is a Michaels Valentine's paper pad, but I don't remember it. I don't like keep track about the brands. I just kind of separate them by color. And these are the pinks and kind of girly colors I had. And then the closure is just Velcro here, little tab, and then inside I layered it with some book text. And then if you want to, you can do little trays or make some paper dividers. But I just want to show you the outside, what it looked like, and everything I did. Very simple, very cute. It looks amazing. So that's that project. I have a sneak peek of a project coming up soon, so I'll let you see what it looks like. And then that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy the chocolate box tutorial and this little peek of what I did to mine. So this was very tedious. But if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Much love. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.